Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show how to erase background in just 2 seconds with very simple and easy method. Okay, first of all you have to open Google. Friends, now we are in Google. You have to type BG remover. Okay, type BG remover and tap on search and you can find this. Okay, first website. Okay, tap on this first website. Okay, BG remover. Now we have to, you can see here, upload image. Simple friends, open BG remover and search in Google and come here and tap on this upload image. Okay, tap on this upload image and select your image. Okay, I'm going to do it. Tap on this upload and tap on your photo. Okay, I'm tapping on my photo and tap on done. And simple friends, upload your image and wait for it. It will take just 2-3 seconds. Okay, if you are have high speed internet, it will come in just 1 second or 2 seconds. Okay, now the signal is little slow, so it is uploading slowly. Okay, the image should be uploaded. Very simple and easy trick to erase background. And in PicsArt it will take so much of time. You have to draw the outline and you have to wait for it and you have to again refill the portions. But in this BG remover, no need to do anything, just upload and wait for the upload and you can get the background erased completely. Make sure your photo is a bit more clarity. Okay, and it will be easily removed and you will get perfect image. Okay, the background is erased perfectly. The signal is so because it will take so much of time. Okay, make sure your internet is speed and wait for your image. I will give this link in the description. Okay, BG remover website link. You can directly open from that link so you can get your image perfectly done. Okay, and in other apps it will take so much of time. Snapseed, PicsArt, it will take so much of time. Okay, but in this website you can get perfectly outline image. Okay, wait for it. Friends, if you are still watching my video, please consider subscribe. Okay, you will get nice videos like this and tap on this bell icon if you want the video notification whenever I upload a new video. Okay, don't forget to like the video and subscribe and share to your friends. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Okay, everyone will be getting bored to erase the background. It will take so much of time. Okay, and it is perfectly done and it is the, I think it is done now. Okay friends, you can see this is the original image which I uploaded on the right side, and the removed background removed photo you can see perfectly, you can see it. Okay, this is the original image and left side is removed image. Background is completely erased. You can see what you have to do is you have to tap on this download, or you can simply tap on this image. It will be downloaded to your gallery. That's it friends. You can see right side is original and left side is background removed image. It is very simple and easy trick. You can see how amazingly it is arranged with detailing. Okay friends, I hope this video will be helpful for you and you will also learn this how to remove the background within 2 seconds. Okay, make sure your internet is fast and your image is more detailed and clarity. Friends, this is the end of the video. I hope you all like this video. Please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends and tap on this bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video like this, you will get the notification. See you next.